How to fix Menulog payment not processing. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is check your card details and security. You can try to re-enter all of your card details and ensure that the 3D secure verification or the SMS OTP code is actually entered correctly. Sometimes when you do have these kind of issue, the payment process won't be happening, so be aware of that. So the second thing that you actually need to do is simply switch to your alternative payment method. So if you're using your debit or credit card, then try to switch it to PayPal or Google Pay or even your Apple Pay, or you can choose the cash on delivery if it's available, and that way I'm pretty sure the payment will be proceeding. And even after doing that, if it's not proceeding, then try to contact your Menulog customer support if the charges appear pending without order creation. So you can actually get to the support by simply tapping on the profile icon right here. You'll be able to simply scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see help center. Get in there, and there you'll be able to contact them. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, another alternative thing that I recommend you guys do is clear the app cache. You can actually get into the settings of your device and clear the app cache, and I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to fix this issue.